In a dense green forest near a wide, peaceful river lived a clever monkey named Luna. Luna was quick, energetic, very intelligent, and very good at talking. He could make others laugh, worry, or believe anything he said. Because of his sharp mind, the other animals often listened to him and trusted his words. But Luna had one dangerous habit. He loved lying. He liked attention more than truth. He wanted all eyes on him. And the easiest way to get attention was by telling shocking stories and lies. At first, his lies were small. Each time he escaped trouble with ease. Slowly, Luna began to enjoy lying. It made him feel powerful. Words are easier than truth, he often thought. One afternoon, Luna wanted mangoes from the tallest tree near the river. That tree belonged to a calm old elephant, who shared its fruits fairly with everyone. Luna climbed down and announced loudly, "Friends!" The elephant said only monkeys are allowed to eat mangoes today. The animals believed him. No one questioned Luna because he sounded confident. He ate more mangoes than he could carry and laughed secretly. "This is easy, a lie can get me anything," he thought. Soon, Luna started spreading lies regularly. He told the forest well is poisoned. He shouted from a tree, "Danger! A tiger is coming this way." He told the rabbits that the fox was planning to attack them. He told the deer that the lion was angry and searching for prey. The forest slowly became restless. Animals stopped trusting one another. Fear and confusion spread everywhere. Still, no one suspected Luna. One morning, Luna saw something exciting. Dark clouds gathered and heavy rain began upstream. The river started rising rapidly. Instead of warning everyone honestly, he had an idea. If I warn them seriously, they won't listen. Let me exaggerate. He ran through the forest shouting, "The river is flooding. The lowland caves are the safest place. Run there quickly." This was a lie. The lowland caves were the most dangerous during floods. Panicked animals believed him. Rabbits, deer, and even young elephants rushed toward the caves. Luna followed, planning to steal food while everyone was distracted. But soon, water rushed into the caves. The animals were trapped. As water rose higher, fear turned into anger. "Luna," shouted the elephant, "you told us this place was safe." Luna trembled. For the first time, he had no lie ready. The wise old tortoise, Tara, slowly spoke. "I saw the river rising earlier. High ground was safer." Luna lied. The animals finally understood. All the past confusion, fear, and fights suddenly made sense. It was Luna's lies that caused everything. With great effort, the elephants and buffaloes helped move rocks and create an escape path. The animals survived, but barely. When they reached safety, the forest council gathered. The elephant said calmly, "A lie is not just a word. It is a danger." Luna was ashamed. His cleverness had turned into destruction. As punishment, he was no longer trusted. No animal listened to him. No one shared food or stories with him. Even worse, when Luna spoke the truth later, no one believed him. Days passed. Hungry and lonely, Luna realized something painful. Lies may give quick gain, but they destroy trust forever. One evening, a fire broke out near the trees. Luna saw it first and shouted for help. But the animals ignored him, thinking it was another lie. Only when they saw the flames themselves did they act. Luna cried quietly, understanding his mistake completely. Tara approached him and said, "Truth builds slowly, but lies destroy instantly. If you want forgiveness, speak only truth. Always." From that day, Luna changed. He spoke honestly, even when it hurt him. Slowly, very slowly, trust began to return. Moral of the story: lies may seem clever at first, but they always create trouble. Truth may be difficult, but it protects everyone. Once trust is broken, it is very hard to repair.